Yo, yo, what's up, everybody? It's Whitey Fallon here, and today it's a special day because we're gonna check the weather channel, and it's 69 degrees, and it's very, very warm. Oh yeah, there's a lot of video. Wow, great warning weather right now. Wow, breathing is very good in your area. 22 out of 100 for your area. There's another hurricane or tropical storm. What's the? Oh, that video. It only got uploaded. Anyway, let's see. Storm still chasing. Wow. There's this a 5 kid hurts when bounce house got airborne. Oh no. I do not want to see what happened. I'm just gonna see this one. If I think this is the same one as the other one. Let's see what happened. I see nothing. I see nothing. What the? I saw nothing. Okay. What the? What the heck? It's not just a dog. Ah, come on. We're not gonna hear your commercial, woman. It's not just dog here, you the post worker. Look at that cat. He's like, get out of here. Like the cat's like, don't come inside my house. Oh god, that's one strange octopus. Swamp attack. Player hits the ground. Oh, you have to do that if they attack you. Giant mushroom and vacuum is unreal sign. Duh. Is that a seal? Car can't stop on the wet road and then river. A lot of tornado inside. Yo. What's wrong with these people for real? Look at the cat. He's like he does not want nobody to get next to him. Is this a video? Oh, it's not a video. Oh wait, it is. It's a tropical cyclone. I think that's how you say it. So if you guys live there, be careful, okay? Well, if you can see my videos. Oh, I don't think it's like. I think I might hit you guys, maybe. I don't really know. Oh yeah, it is gonna hit you guys. So you all guys are gonna have a hurricane. So I want to see this last video. I don't want to check the weather. Storm still causing headquarters for. No, I don't think that's not how to say headquarters. On Saturday, Delta Airline canceled 270 flights as they continue to withdraw. Storm that hit in the south early the week have continued. Wow, a lot of thing it's saying that. So Delta Airline canceled flight yesterday. They even say United Airline canceled flight yesterday. What is that? I don't even know what's that. Okay, that's enough. I thought that was a video, but it's not. Let's check the weather or a map, if you can call it. Map box. The thing is called map box. Wow. Are you gonna get no rain today, guys? No rain. Look, guys, you can check any of my video because I will upload some videos about this weather channel just in case if something is like, you know, yeah, Mexico. There was Mexico. Right, United States. Let's check all over there to Spain. Wow. I see no hurricane anywhere. I see me there. Look at Japan. Well, Japan is like snowing a lot. I mean, not snowing a lot. I mean, thunder. Okay, guys, but that'll be the end of the weather channel thing. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys. Okay, forget what that other thing said, and now everything just no. Okay, bye guys, and don't forget to take care of yourself.